So we're going to go ahead and install a Unifi controller from Ubiquiti. First we got to get our download. Now make sure you have the 64-bit version of Java installed, and there's particular versions that work pretty good and other ones that don't. For instance. So let's try that again. Basically I had another program that was using port 8080 and it really gets it upset. So you don't have to tell it to allow the access, so it can go ahead and be connected to. And we're good to go. Go to Advanced, Proceed, English, Eastern in my case, Next. And then we're going to go ahead and have to set one up. So in a minute we'll do that. We're not going to do the cloud access. So there we go. We got our default site up. We're not going to have any devices here yet because I got to go ahead and log off the ones that I already have on a controller. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and adopt it. So you can see right here, this is the device, and we're going to go ahead and tell it to adopt. And it can take a 2-3 minutes on average. This is an existing site setup, so it's got a little more gear. And it'll provision, it'll come right back online in just a moment. And there we have it. And go over here, we got our configuration. Here's your radios, auto. I don't really like messing with it too much unless I have to. If I'm on beta firmware or something, that might be a different story. You can go ahead and change the naming on it if you really want to. For instance, There we go. That'll change its naming. That's all she wrote. You know, it works pretty good. You might have set networking and stuff up, but I've had pretty good luck with these. They're relatively foolproof.